Alright, here we are. Man, this place has clearly seen better days. But yet again, it has been closed for 8 years. Now I need to find a way in. Ah, this door opened. Ah! Rambly, don't do that.
The world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
Well, he's been keeping track.
I'm Rambly the raccoon.
Yeah, I know.
It's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon.
I know.
It's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery?
Well, actually,
It's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify.
what are you
for a
talking about? It's Saturday.
visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Okay. Alright, it should be open now. And it's not.
What's the holdup? The gate is open.
No, it's not.
Into the entryway. Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah, clearly.
There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture.
That does not sound like a real thing. Alright, I gotta turn it on the generator. Alright, should be back in here, probably. Probably in here.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Maybe. It's missing a gear. Oh, a Rambly plush. Ah, there's the gear. I just gotta put it in. There we go. Now I gotta pull this lever. Alright, the gate should open now.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Huh. Still looks pretty similar to how I remember it. Oh, Molly plush. And there's Lloyd.
Oh, silly Rambly. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Alright. Look at these plushies. These keychains. And these shirts. Alright, now where can I find a critter cuff?
There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. a new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring.
Okay, the TV just fell. Cool. Ugh. I think it might be a bit old. But, hey, at least it still works. Alright. Let's get out of here and enter the park.
The door mysteriously locked.
Really?
Why not test out your band and save the day?
Okay.
Hooray! Great work, buddy.
There we go.
Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Alright. In we go. Ah, and there's Isaac Indigo, the creator of Indigo Park. Alright, this should be the way in. What the? What? Where'd all this rubble come from? Just caved in behind me. All aboard Rambley's Railroad. Come meet Finley at the Oceanic Odyssey. We have bathrooms. Oh, what's this? Alright. Let's go. That way's closed off. What, more rubble?
Looks like the park is going through some renovations.
Yeah, right.
For the inconvenience, your Rambley Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Oh, I wonder where it could be. Found it. Alright, here we go to Rambley's Railroad.
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride.
Well, I was here when I was a kid.
Favorites. Do you know why Rambley the raccoon loves Rambley's Railroad?
Why?
Because I like trains.
Oh, it was such an easy answer that I never would have been able to guess it. Alright, time to go on the railroad. Alright, here we go. Hey, this is some nice music.
Welcome to Rambley's Railroad.
Hey, buddy.
Conductor Rambley.
Oh, what the? Oh, there you are. I like this beat.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCall.
Molly!
You sure are, Mom. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
Wait, what? Barnstorming.
Storming.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Admission included with critter cup.
Hey, what's this? Did we just skip someone? Okay, I guess not.
Oh, Finley.
Finley?
Come on out and greet the people.
Hey, Finley! Sea serpents always scared me, but Finley was an exception. Wait, you guys been around that long?
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me. I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oh, that's sad. Well, I mean, he was always like the Eeyore of the group. Wait, what's this? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Wait, Rambly? Ah, great. Broke down. Must have to find a way to fix it. Is that blood? What the? Wait, who's that? Wait, I don't remember this. I don't remember this character. Ah! This stupid animatronic. I don't know why it screamed at me. Of course I have to fix it. I already found one of the gears. And there's the other one. Alright, that should have done it. Alright, it should be working again. Alright, there we go. Alright, who's last? Lloyd?
Here you go, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydwood Elmire, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lloyd.
Well, he seems to be pretty prideful of himself. Alright. That was a nice ride.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right?
Yeah.
I know all about my friends. And Lloyd.
Damn!
Where do you want to go?
Yeah, you really don't like Lloyd, do you? Whoa! This place looks exactly like how I remember it. I mean, yeah, nature seems to have moved in, but if it weren't for all that and all the bit of rubble, this place could definitely be salvageable. Oh, is there anything in the cafe? Oh, what's this? A Rambly cup. Looks like there's mold on those pizzas.
Buddy, come over here.
Rambly.
This here's an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Okay.
Well, look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up.
Damn it.
Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
I don't think there's anyone here, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Ah, there's the theater. Lloyd's Main Stage Theater. Ah, that's where Lloyd is. Alright, going in. Looks like somebody left some sort of Lloyd animatronic on the stage. Oh, what the? Where'd it go? I hope that's just an animatronic and that it's just, I don't know, still working.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cuff is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Alright, I'll be careful. Lloyd? Oh god, I don't want to be killed by Alex the Lion. Just gotta sneak around. Hope that I don't run into Lloyd. What the? Ah! That was a close one. Is this what being hunted in the wild feels like? 'Cause I don't like it. Oh, hopefully this will lead to an exit. And no, it does not. Oh, there are the keys. Alright, now we gotta get out of here and I can head over to Jetstream Junction. Hopefully Lloyd's not around. Alright, let's get out of here. See you later, Lloyd. Also, your act sucks. Oh, he didn't like that. God, what is that sound? Oh, good, it scared him off. Oh, he didn't like the way I dissed him for his act. Alright, let's get out of here. Molly? Okay, maybe I was just seeing things. Alright, let's head over to the Jetstream Junction. Here we are.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Alright. Whoa. Yo! I remember this game. I rocked at this. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in Rainbowberry Woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay. I remember playing this game. I owned the console version, which wasn't as good as the original arcade version, but still good. There she is. Molly, what happened? Hey Rambly, I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Wait, what the? Wait, who's that? Salem, I don't remember her. Well, I don't remember this being in the game. Wait, what? What's going on? What the? She turned Molly evil. I don't remember this part of the game. I guess I'm gonna have to fight her. Oh. Oh. What? Yes! Oh my god. Well, that was weird. Oh, I got a Rambleberry. Going up. Oh.
Oh no, this is horrible.
I can see that.
Looks like Molly crashed into the right again.
Again?
Sorry, though. Your pal
What do you mean again?
Repairman on speed dial.
No offense, but if I were the repairman, I would probably block your call.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Or change his number.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Alright. I guess I'll head to Molly's landing pad then. Ah, there it is. I forgot it's a kiddie park. What do these mean? Am I supposed to figure out some sort of puzzle? Oh, a purple star. Alright. Let's change it over to a star then. There we go. Oh, the lights went out and the music stopped playing. Oh, this opened. Molly? Apparently these tubes are so big to the point that an adult can stand upright in these. Ah! Molly? A yellow circle. Okay. Ah! Red star. Whoa! Nothing. Green triangle. Okay. There's probably still one left that I need to find. Whoa! Whoa! Ah, blue star. Okay. I just gotta get out of here. Oh! Molly, stop that! God. She's really creeping me out. Okay, now I just gotta put these in. Alright. There we go. Now what did that do? Oh, it opened that door. Alright, hopefully that'll lead to the way out of here. All these colors are giving me an aneurysm. Okay, I'm definitely lost. Well, that looks like an exit. Huh? Oh, crap. Oh, crap! I gotta run! This way! Oh, shut up! Go crash another plane! What, you so used to it? Oh! Oh, God. Oh! This way! It's really not a great act, but it's better than yours right now! Oh! Oh! Come on! Oh, what the? Molly, want a cracker? Oh, no. Yeah. Whoa! I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, okay. I'm out of there. Oh, God. What? I'm in the vents. I'm in these vents now. What? Oh, she's go after me. Oh, God. Oh, God. Rambly, help! Thank you! Close the door. Rambly, close the door! Close the door! Oh, God. I don't know why you couldn't have closed it sooner, but at least that's one less mascot to worry about.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and...
Really?
Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years.
I know.
Employees stopped showing up.
I know.
Too. The mascots are...
They don't rampage?
I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay.
But, I have an idea.
What?
I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
I mean...
Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Well...
Seeing your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Alright.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered security room to set yourself free.
Registered?
Kind of exhausting to say that whole
Okay.
spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers, registered is a
There it is.
registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Aw, damn it. Whatever.
Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Oh, way out. Okay, finally out of that place. I could hop the fence right now, but I made a promise. See, we have something about these stuff I found. What about here? This.
Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
You mean hard drive?
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Bramley the Raccoon Fraction figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
Okay. What do you have to say about this poodle?
Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash?
Yes.
No surprise, I guess, that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
I think this was mine. I recall losing a dog plush when I was here. What about this Rambleberry?
Whoa, where'd you get that?
Arcade
my
game.
favorite. Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day.
Oh, I don't even know if it's edible. What about this Ramley cup?
Ooh, that's a Ramley cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Damn, that's dark. Okay, well, what about this Ramley mask? Pretty creepy.
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy.
And creepy.
Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen, let's listen.
Alright.
Hey, Jackson, you hear about the new mascots? Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job? I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I said we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
That sounds like a great idea.
Aw, come on. They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume. I was really looking forward to that. What a useless recording. Deleted.
Alright. What about this golden Rambley plush?
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambley plush?
Apparently.
Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out.
Literally?
Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails.
Okay, yeah, actually, literally.
All that demand for a regular Rambley plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
Is that why it smells so weird? Oh, God, I feel high. What about this Smalley plush?
Oh, Molly plush. She's always been my best friend. Did you know she builds planes in her landing pad at the park? And then she crashes them. She's so talented.
Doesn't really sound like a talent. What about this Finley plush?
Oh, you found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday.
Well, if I do, hopefully he's not like Lloyd or Molly. Speaking of Lloyd, what about this Lloyd plush?
Ew, Lloyd.
I don't know what I expected. Oh, what about a plush of you?
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Always, buddy. What about this Ramble ears? Some sort of Rambly raccoon
Really ears?
hat.
Those used to fly off the shelves. That pair is pretty damaged, though.
Yeah.
Eyes peeled. There's gotta be at least one more mint condition set out there somewhere.
Maybe.
Like a yard sale.
Alright, and lastly, this retro Lloyd plushie. What do you think of it?
I don't get why we even have those. And why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry.
Damn, that's quite a burn, Rambly. Okay, looks like I made it to Oceanic Odyssey.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Thanks, buddy. Alright, time to go in.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. Please don't tap the glass. You really know what this means.
What do you mean? Whoa, what the fuck?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist.
Let's try it.
Were you satisfied with the rides?
Yes or no?
Were you satisfied with your guide?
I sure hope so.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambley Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a ride
And saw the show.
I'm so happy to be your guide.
More than you know.
So come back anytime, I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.